sounds like it is whistling a warning song. Good job, little helper. This will hold us steady. Ones near the rocks. Let us get the fire started so we can warm up. Be careful, it is very hot, so blow on it first. Watch this. Can you guess what shadow I am making? One. It is a bird flying high. And then the little bear found his way back home. Everything is safe now. Let us rest until the morning. Mom, is the storm finally over? We should keep everything organized, even during our adventure. A warm drink will help us settle down completely. Everything looks so peaceful and white now. Double blankets tonight will keep us very warm. I wonder if the snow will stay until tomorrow. Mom! The morning sun is finally here! Let us let the crisp morning air in. Tea will warm us up before we go outside. Look at the little tracks the wind left. Let us pack everything carefully for our journey home. This tea is the best part of our stay. Everything is packed and ready for the trail. Goodbye, little tent. Thanks for keeping us warm. It looks like a quiet painting, Mom. Last night, the shadows we made were quite funny. You were a very good boy for waiting for us. Keep your feet steady on the frozen path. I cannot wait to tell Dad about our adventure. Let us take a quick breath before we continue. Even here, the moss is still green and alive. Ready for the rest of our walk? I had such a fun adventure with you, Mom.